Hello friends, is your steering suddenly feeling too heavy or too light? If your obd2 scanner is showing code P0555, it means there's a problem with the brake booster pressure sensor circuit malfunction. This issue can cause inconsistent braking, poor fuel efficiency, and even engine stalling. In this video, I'll explain what P0555 means, its symptoms, sensor locations, and how to fix it. Let's get started. The P0555 code stands for Brake Booster Pressure Sensor Circuit Malfunction. The brake booster pressure sensor monitors the vacuum pressure inside the brake booster and sends signals to the engine control module. If the sensor malfunctions, the ECM may miscalculate braking force, leading to unpredictable braking and possible engine performance issues. Common symptoms of P0555. Check engine light is on brakes. Feel too stiff or too soft. Engine stalling when braking. Rough idling or RPM fluctuations. Reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing any of these symptoms, let's locate the faulty sensor. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0555, check these key components. Brake booster pressure sensor. Location, mounted on or near the brake booster, usually on the driver's side firewall. Brake booster assembly. Location, connected to the master cylinder, providing vacuum-assisted braking. Vacuum hoses and check valve. Location, rubber hoses running from the intake manifold to the brake booster. Tip: a failing brake booster pressure sensor can make braking unpredictable and affect engine performance. Common causes of P0555 failing brake booster pressure sensor. A faulty sensor may send incorrect signals to the ECM. Damaged or loose wiring. Corrosion, broken wires, or poor connections can disrupt sensor communication. Vacuum leaks. Leaks in the brake booster or vacuum hoses can cause erratic readings. Faulty brake booster. A damaged brake booster can result in incorrect pressure levels. ECM malfunction. Rarely, a faulty ECM may misinterpret sensor signals. How to fix P0555. Step 1. Use an obd2 scanner to confirm P0555 and check for additional codes. Step 2. Inspect the brake booster pressure sensor for cracks or damage. Step 3. Check the wiring harness for any loose or broken connections. Step 4. Test the sensor's voltage output with a multimeter. Step 5. Inspect vacuum hoses for leaks and replace any damaged ones. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive the vehicle to see if the issue returns. Final words. Ignoring P0555 can lead to braking inconsistencies, engine stalling, and reduced fuel economy. Fixing it early ensures a safe and smooth driving experience. For more car troubleshooting guides, check out these videos next. P0358, ignition coil, H primary secondary circuit malfunction. P0359, ignition coil 1 primary secondary circuit malfunction. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for more car repair tips.